How to delete search suggestions on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to clear your search history and suggestions on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top to bring up your recent searches and suggestions. At this point, to remove a single suggestion, tap and hold on it and tap Hide. In the next step, if you want to clear everything at once, tap on See All at the top right of the recent searches list. Following this, tap on Clear All to remove all your search history and suggestions in one go. Finally, go back to the search bar and you'll notice all your previous suggestions are now completely gone. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you clear your search suggestions, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.